Hi there, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to update your device drivers from the device manager. Basically this video is made for beginners because many guys doesn't know that how to update device drivers from the device manager. So let's begin. Just click on Windows search box and type device manager. Then press enter, and now device manager has been opened. And now first I'm going to update audio inputs and outputs device driver. So just click on this arrow button and right click on the microphone Realtek high definition audio and then click on update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? So we will choose first option, search automatically for updated driver software. For this option, you have to need your internet turned on. Click on it. And guys, it will take couple of seconds. It totally depends on your internet speed. So in my case, the best drivers for your device are already installed. So guys, I am not going to stretch this tutorial. Follow these steps to update your all necessary device drivers as well. I hope guys this video will help you. So if you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.